Hi and welcome guys, this is the review of the JDTime AOKP ROM version 6 for the HTC Desire SD and Inspire Fuji. A huge thanks to the developer of this ROM, Random Blame, for this wonderful ROM. So first let me just show you what I'm running. Android version 4.1.1 and the JDTime AOKP ROM version 6. So this ROM is very fast, smooth and stable. Right from the lock screen, you get the Jelly Bean lock screen, which is very smooth. You can just see the transition effects, no lags at all. And in this ROM, you are provided with 3 different launchers: the Trebuchet, the Nova launcher, and the launcher. And you get different settings and different effects for each launcher, so just check it. And the notification bar of this ROM is also quite interesting. You get different toggles up here for quick setting access, and you can just try to close any notification. And when you press the home button for a while, you enter this recent tab menu, from where you can just slide to close it and just click to open it. So in this ROM, the camera is working now. We can snap photos, so let me just show you. You can record videos too, so let me just show you. Here the camera is recording video now, and the panorama is also working perfectly. Now let's just go to the app drawer. So you get different useful apps like US File Manager, Super User, Touch pre-installed in this ROM. The GApps doesn't come pre-installed, so you have to flash the gapps.zip like you flash this ROM, and every other things works perfectly. You get a Apollo music player, which has a different user interface, which is pretty cool, so just check it. And in the settings menu, you get this ROM control option, from where you have different settings to customize your phone. You get the general UI option, from where you can just select your boot animation or just disable it, and many other options. The lock screen option to change the lock screen wallpaper, and many other stuffs, so just check it. And you get a toggle option from here, where you can just change the toggle layout, so you can just see that my layout has changed now. And you get different option here. Similarly, you get different option for the clock, LED options, sound, weather, and you also get this performance tool here, from here you can select the minimum and maximum frequency, which is very useful to save your battery life or just to increase your performance, and it is a very important feature. And you also get the developer option for also different tweaks, so just check it. And in this ROM, you get a bunch of widgets for you to try, and many other stops. And you can see the smoothness of this ROM, very fast. So the battery life of this ROM is extremely good. Just give it a try, as the camera is working now and most of the other stuffs works perfectly. So that's all about the review part of this ROM. Bye bye now, have a nice day.